Well, it's officially January 1st of 2025, and you guys know, if you've already seen these videos or been subscribed to this channel, that I've wanted to do vlogs for quite a long time now. It just got so busy last year, and I'm going to tell you this, I have deep regrets about not making more vlogs last year. I've been lately planning this video, and I've been going over the footage that I did collect last year, and there was a lot of good videos we took that just never made the cut for any future vlogs. I don't know if I just procrastinated it too long, and then it had been months since I made one, and I just became unmotivated about it. But my New Year's resolution this year is to make a vlog at least once a month, so you guys will be seeing a lot of vlogs on this channel moving forward. I'm hopeful this month that we'll get some snowfall. It's expected to be a very, very cold month if you've been keeping up with the direct weather channel, so hopefully we'll get at least some sort of snowflakes, hopefully at least this month. Hopefully accumulating snowfall would be super cool to see in the video, so I hope that that's what this video is revolved around for the most part. And yeah, it's going to be a fun one. I'm going to film as much as I can. I want to tell you guys that I also have plans to make a video with some of that 2024 footage that I have, kind of like a look back at 2024 maybe. So that's kind of my general idea right now. And just like that, we expect some snowflakes tonight. It's January 5th. It's a Sunday here in southeastern Virginia, and we do expect snowflakes. Last winter I didn't even see flakes at all, which is super abnormal for my area. We do expect them tonight though, so I'm going to be filming here. If we see any, we're going to be filming you through all of it. Well guys, I'm out here in it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's snowing. I told you guys on direct weather that it's been years since I've even seen snow, and it's snowing right now. We don't expect them, that much in the way of accumulation, but it makes me so happy. I was just telling my sister, it feels like I've never even seen snow before because of how long it's been, and it's just, it's bringing joy to my heart to see this. Rachel, what you think for the vlog?
Oh my god, it's definitely.
How long has it been since you've seen snow like this?
Years. 2 years. Easily. I caught one of the big ones.
Let me see.
It's melting on my hand.
Show it to the vlog. Oh yeah, you caught one.
It's melting.
It's snowing heavy right now, guys. Show my head. Can you see it?
Oh, we see it.
I'm so happy. It's coming out heavy. Look at that baby. Oh, big jump.
Oh, she's loving it.
What are the odds I start my New Year's resolution to start making vlogs? Once a month. Once a month, and here we are, snowfall in the first vlog. Pretty crazy down here in Virginia. It doesn't happen every week in the winter, so I'm super happy. You guys can probably tell how happy I am, but it's awesome. We'll keep you updated. Just stunning, and it's actually like 36 degrees. So a lot of you are always wondering, it's over 32. Is it really going to snow? And it happens. And it's January 10th today, just 5 days after our previous footage that we just caught where we had some flurries going on. We actually saw some flakes the next day too, but I didn't record it. Today, however, I should say this evening, we do expect potentially 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. So we're actually maybe going to see our first accumulating snowfall, almost definitely. I don't know if the camera's picking up how heavy this is. Oh my God. Sticking to the grass already. Atlas, you're covered in snow, buddy. Look at that. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You look so blue right now, buddy. I don't think it's gonna get heavier than this.
Oh my god, look at it now. I feel like it's getting worse and worse and worse.
Yeah.
Yep. Put it on mine.
Is it on my head? Is it all over me?
It is. It really is.
We're gonna put you in the vlog.
Watch, you're about to make the vlog and they're not this time. Lady. Lady. Oh. Well, here's a look by the morning. We expected at least 1 to 3 inches, 2 to 4 according to the National Weather Service, and it really ended up being about 1 at the peak. And we mixed over the first 1 inch probably came in the first hour and a half of snowfall. It was super heavy in that footage that we got last night. And then yeah, we just switched over to sleet super early, probably I would say like probably 12 a.m. We were expected to switch over to sleet maybe 4 or 5 a.m. So we missed out on hours and hours of snowfall. Yep, huge bust, but I'm glad that we saw the heavy snowfall and actually saw accumulating snowfall. Well, I'm in the direct weather recording studio right now. Really, it's just my office in my house, but I'm tracking the weather right now because we do have a snowstorm here in Hampton Roads, where I'm from, happening tonight. We already have snow on radar, but we have very, very dry air in place, so it's not reaching the ground yet. Hopefully we're gonna get some really, really heavy, dry, powdery snow tonight. Hoping for like 2, 3, 4 inches, so we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated through the night. We're getting our first flakes. It's currently almost 8 p.m., so maybe an hour or two ahead of schedule. Getting a few flakes flying, so I'll keep you guys updated, but this is a great sign. It's 23 degrees out, so obviously those aren't gonna melt at all. It's a really pretty type of snow, just the nice, cold, dry, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not the huge flakes, it's kind of just a ton of small flakes, and it's so beautiful. Typically here in Virginia, we get kind of the wet, large flakes, so it's nice when you get this kind of whole different type of snow going on. So beautiful. Okay, we're about to go on a walk in the snow.
Let's go, baby.
Walk on the snow, come on.
I saw the video you sent me in the
Ashton, look behind you. It looks crazy.
I can't see that.
Oh no, I didn't see that then. We've been getting like suited up for this walk. Oh, okay.
You look so cute, baby. You do.
Oh, I ran. That's why.
Lady, look.
That would be the
Look
best
at the decorations.
snow right now. Rear wheel drive. Turbo trunk 6-cylinder. that
Thanks,
would be
Mom.
the best. Hell yeah, that's one.
Oh, I hear the kids. I love that.
I like the Christmas decorations. Like they're like oldie.
Yeah.
Like they're like vintage.
Even this Olaf looks like...
Olaf, bitch. Olaf? Dude.
Lady, have you ever seen everything so white?
Oh, she's unzipping on accident.
Oh my God,
I saw
it's
how
all
it was,
over
like,
You should
an
see your
edited,
head.
Cover photo.
My ears are so cold.
Did you do
Why don't you put your hood on?
I don't know, I feel like I can't see as good. Ooh, there's a ton of snow in it.
Well, there's a ton of snow on your head.
Yeah.
Lady.
Oh, really? Oh, you scared her. Oh, put it up there. I don't know if you saw it, but I shared it. Hopefully my people saw it. But she loves it so much because I don't know if you know, but she eats ice like religiously. Like that's her favorite.
Ooh, it is cold. Oh my God. I think my head is frozen, guys. Holy. Woo. But yeah, it is cold out here. Oh yeah. Whoa. Look like I need some anti-dandruff shampoo. Oh my God. But yeah, I just love this. It's just beautiful. Look at that. I'll live for it. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Super exciting. Getting scared? It's coming down hard, guys. It's about maybe 10:30, 10 o'clock now. Just a little update. We probably got at least I don't know, maybe an inch, inch and a half, something like that. Man, it's a decent amount we got right now. And it is coming down at least, I'd say, an inch per hour. So we'll probably tack on a few more here. Love it. Lady, come here. Come here. Oh yes, you love snow and ice, don't you? Just like Daddy, huh? Come on. Come here. Oh. Lady. Oh yes. Oh yes, a little snack. Free food. This is awesome. Probably some of the heaviest snow we'll get tonight, so soaking it in. Beautiful. Come here. Well, it's almost 2 a.m. The snowstorm has concluded, so we're getting kind of like the final measurements. I'm out here with the dog, and it is just beautiful out here. You can see me ran around with the dog earlier, so that's why it's all messed up behind me, but I'll turn it around and we'll show you what I'm looking at. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see it up on the fence line. That's usually a good indicator of how much you ended up with. It's still coming down a tiny bit, but we're pretty much wrapped up. And there's the measurement. I think we're probably a little closer to 3.5. I keep measuring around 3.5, 3.75, 4 inches, but I think we're at a good 3.5 inches here. You can see some of the footsteps. And what's interesting is since we were in the hot tub, kind of closed it again, we got another 2 inches on top of that. So we've gotten a lot more since then. Ooh, that lake is frozen. The snow is beautiful at night, but the day, there's nothing like it. There is nothing like the snow in the day. God, I love it. I love it. Come here, lady. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh. You happy? Come here. Oh yes. She loves eating ice. She cannot get enough. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Oh.
Well, that's it for this one, guys. I know that this was a little bit of a more laid-back video, and it was mostly just revolved around all the snow that we had. It's one of the snowiest months that I've ever seen as far as the amount of events and different days that we saw snowfall is absolutely crazy for this area. So it was a super exciting one for me, at least. I know it was a little bit more laid back in nature, but we do have a lot more exciting content coming up soon. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we will be uploading at least once a month. So be sure to subscribe. It would really, really help me out. Obviously over on Direct Weather, I have, my channel over there, but this channel I am passionate about and I want to see it grow. So it would really, really make me happy if you guys would like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this one to help this channel grow in particular. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. I will see you guys in the next video.